Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and choosing sound and vibration. Now scroll all the way down and click on vibration and haptic strength. Then you need to click on also vibrate phone calls and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with the last one, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. From here you can also adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch vibrations by swiping left or right on those sliders. If you wish to disable vibrations completely though, you can do that by choosing this switcher. In order to enable it, click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!